running through exactly how to use AI automations like the top 1% as I run through some of the latest automations and Q&As inside the AI profit boardroom. And apparently, let's have a look at this one. So Claude Code have got a new upgrade. This is from Andy. Shout out to Andy. So we've got a new Claude Code upgrade. This literally just came out, so it's working more autonomously. They basically said, this is how I get my news, right? If you're wondering, okay, like how do I stay up to date with all the latest updates? How do I find stuff out? I do it inside the AI profit boardroom. So like, awesome people like Andy are just posting new cool stuff all the time. Oh, we might have to try that out. That sounds interesting. Just going to send that to the team and make sure they make a video about it. So VS Claude extension brings Claude code directly into your IDE. We got to check out. It would be rude not to check out Claude 4.5 whilst we're here. If you're not using Claude, so if we go to start chatting here, you can see that we can select Claude 4.5 Sonnet. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to try and use one of my SEO prompts that I really like. And we've got loads more inside that SEO Elite Circle, which you will get free access to if you sign up within less than 24 hours. And then we're going to put the keyword here. Okay, SEO training Japan, which is something that I actually used Claude to rank with before. So if we put SEO training Japan here, you can see us ranking number 1 there. Boom. All right. What happened to the chat there? It just totally moved this. By the way, if you're not using keyboard shortcuts for everything, you got to use it. It just saves you so much time. You'll be so much more efficient when you're typing and that sort of thing. I learned it because I'm doing so many live streams, and the more keyboard shortcuts the better. All right. So we got Claude 4.5 here. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to compare it side by side versus, we'll paste in the keyword here. This is for SEO. I do think that Claude is the GOAT for writing content. We're going to select, or we might have to upgrade to Claude Pro. Forget it. Let's have a look what we got then. So SEO training Japan, how I built semi agency, blah, blah, blah. It's looking pretty good. It's writing a lot of content there. Look at that.